So this is what I tried doing. What's up, guys? My name's Krishan and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to see what's under that fender and how bad the damage is, and how much we need to pull out, right? So that's what I'm gonna do today. I want to see what's behind there. Also, I found something that caught my interest. I saw a video on TikTok, a guy that managed to pull his frame out using some tools. So I am gonna get those tools today, and we might try pulling it today. So, you guys ready? You guys ready? Are you guys ready? We're gonna go and open up the fender! Alright guys, I just got back from Harbor Freight. We got some tools, but we're gonna save that for the end. Right now I got the car on the driveway and we're gonna take a crack at it. So I watched a YouTube video already to get myself like a head start on this. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so if you guys want to take off your fender and you think I'm dumb and stupid and you can't follow my instructions, I put that guy's video in the link, so you can take a look at that because he did a really good job. All right, so let's turn around. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to remove this side skirt. That gives us access to two bolts, or some amount of bolts over here, and then we have one bolt right over there. I think I'm gonna keep the side skirt removed so that, because I think I'm gonna keep messing around. I want to see everything. I'm gonna keep messing around, moving the fender in and out, so I'm gonna leave that side skirt off for now. But yeah, and then we have the rest of the bolts that line up over there. So there's a few here, 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see. Okay, and then there's some over here, but these are bent. But we're gonna take them off, and yeah, we're gonna take them off and then see how we go from there. So for the side skirt, I believe they're held on by clips underneath, and I did get some, I don't know if you can see it, the sun's being annoying. I got some plastic clips. I basically got like a whole like retainer kit with different retainers and all that stuff, and yeah, so it came with these plastic clip remover tools, and I'm gonna use them to get that side skirt off. And so I kind of got it. I didn't take everything out because I think it's actually a pain in the to get it out. But I took 3 of them. They're located where you put your jack. Like if you had to jack up your car, there's 3 slots here with pins that you can pull out. It's like this. Obviously when you remove them, they're gonna get destroyed. So you kind of want to get a kit from Amazon with all these clips. I can put a link with the clips that I use. They came out with these tools, which are pretty cool. Also, what I noticed is if you have low clearance, you're not going to be able to go and get one of these tools up underneath there. So you just have to really tug on it so it comes up a little bit. And once you get this one off, all these others are going to come off easy. But you just tug on it, right? And then you come in with this tool and you just pry it and just wiggle it out and it'll come out. These are really nasty, so just keep that in mind. But I didn't want to remove all of them. There's also like a clip in there. I don't know if you can see it, like right there, that plugs into that hole, and you have to give it a little tug to get it out. But once you get that out, you get access to the 2 bolts that hold the fender in. So we have enough clearance now that we can actually remove this. So I'm gonna keep the side skirt on for now, and I'll update you how it goes. Wait, what's that doing there? Oh, my shadow's in the way, but we took off the fender. Interesting. Interesting. All right. So we got it. I think this is the bolt that was the hardest, because you have to get a socket extension and really just get in there and get to this bolt. But look at it now. Okay, But you know what I want to do. I want to see what it looks like with the new fender on. So I'm gonna go inside and get that. Wait, actually, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I don't know if this is zoomed in. I feel happy. I feel accomplished. So we're at home right now, and the fender came in a big box like this. It was over there, but we moved it over here just because it was convenient. So let's get that out into the front. Alright, we got the new bumper, new fender actually right there. That's the old one. Almost looks the same, right? Should we try? Should we test fit it? We should test fit it, right? Alright, I'm gonna test fit it. Okay! Oh, the sun's in it, but I don't know if you can see that. But okay. Looking like a car now. Okay. Alright. I see. The lighting is not it today, but I am so happy. Like, I feel so accomplished. I mean, it's not even done. But it's crazy because all this time I thought I couldn't do it. But here I am working on my own car and it's coming back to life. You like, if anything, guys, if this video doesn't like help you just start working on your car, yo, I failed. But it's such a good feeling because this is my hand. I got cut today too. I'm telling you, the level of accomplishment that you're gonna get when you start working on your car is crazy. It's like a feeling that I can't describe, and it's starting to get its shape back again. So one thing I did notice is whatever holes that were like, see, it's bent in right over. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all over here. So I just need to pull it up just a little bit so it touches here. I think I'm gonna pull it out, and I have some tools that I just got, and maybe we can use a tree. It's heading to fall soon, so I'm gonna put a hard limit. It's like around 5 o'clock right now, 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna put a hard limit at 5:30 and see how much work I can get done by then. So I think we need to get the headlight out, and then I took the fender back off. We should get the headlight out so I can see what else is behind there that we don't know. Headlight doesn't even work that well, so let's take that out. And I think it's one more right there, you see, and then one on the bottom. So honestly, it doesn't look that bad. So I'm gonna get in the light. I think the lighting is pretty shit and you won't be able to see it, but got pushed in a little bit. But we don't really need like any tough tools to get this done. So I think I'm gonna try to pull this. What do you think? I think I can do it. So this is what I tried doing. It's just not working. It's not enough. It's just like, I don't know whether I'm doing it right, but I think this is too weak because it feels like it's gonna snap soon. So I'm gonna give it one more go, and then I'm gonna explain what I try to do. Alright guys, so this is what we did. This is some redneck engineering, thanks to my friend. He's a little bit shy and he doesn't want to come on camera. Alright, so now we do got a cameraman. He did help me. It was kind of annoying at first, but he helped me get it lined up. It's I don't know. Do you want to should we just check whether the wheel can clear? Okay, so do you want to quickly tell me whether it's clearing left and right? Otherwise that's gonna scrape when. So do you want to check it for me? Bro, stop playing it. Is it good? Just a little bit? Alright guys, so we were able to get it on get the lights fitting in. We used the old lights, so I think I'm actually gonna dump the new headlights on the and put it on, and I don't know, I just want to try it out. So we still have some daylight, so I'm gonna get straight into it, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks with a bit of a mock-up. But the new fender is gonna go on there. We just made it. So if you see those lights, you may be wondering where it's coming from. Oh, I don't know. I don't know where those lights are coming from. Oh, but we got the bump, we got the fender in, we got the new lights, bright as all right, guys, I think I'm just gonna go clean up. We've got a lot of mess, a lot of cleanup. Yeah, I don't know if you can see me, or oh yeah, you can see me, but last time I didn't say goodbye, so I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you for watching. I wish I could like show you more details, but I'm feeling a bit tired today. So I'm feeling a bit tired now, actually, just because I've been rushed trying to get everything together before the sun goes down, because tomorrow it's gonna rain too, so I don't want to leave anything exposed. But yep, I'll catch you guys later, and then we can recap on what we did today. And yeah, thanks a lot, guys.